if you suffer from really dry hair, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair for maximum hydration. I'm also going to be explaining the simple steps that I do to moisturize my hair on a weekly basis. So the first thing is I am working with dry hair. I've had my hair in this 4 braids for a couple of days now, and I'm basically kind of re-moisturizing because this is not freshly washed hair. But yeah, I keep my braids like this because it's pretty simple. I work in the sections because nowadays I don't really have time, so I like to keep it simple, and so is my moisturizing routine. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is how my hair is looking after a couple of days of having it. As you can see, my hair is still looking shiny, but it's pretty much dry at this point. It looks really good on the outside, but it pretty is dry on the inside. So we're going to be doing this moisturizing. The first thing I'm going to be using is this Quench My Thirst. This is Auntie Jackie's Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. If you have not tried this product, I absolutely recommend, because this has really helped me when it comes to moisturizing my dry hair. I apply that on the ends of my hair, and the trick, guys, here is to really moisturize your hair by applying on each strand of your hair and concentrating it on each strand by squeezing in the product in your hair. So you're going to see I'm going to be using the praying method. I'm also going to be using the mostly the praying method, and I'm also going to be sectioning my hair so that I can make sure that all the strands are moisturized and they're hydrated. And this leave-in conditioner, you don't even need to use a lot of it. It does the magic. And as you will notice, guys, I did not use any water. It's just the leave-in conditioner. And then the next thing I'm going to go in with is that Cantu Flaxseed gel. I love this stuff, you guys. If you have tried flaxseed before, you know how it does. It gives you the sleep that your hair needs, and it feels like your hair is moisturizing when you apply this stuff on your hair. And as you can see, my curls are already popping because that's what this gel will do. And you don't need a lot of it, you just need a little bit of it. And the next thing I like to do is to detangle a little bit my hair, because I'm going to be putting my hair in protective style in these braids for a long period of time. So I like to really detangle it with a detangling brush. And I'm going to apply my DIY oil on my scalp. This is the only time I apply this oil on my scalp, not the rest of my hair. I have another oil, which is the sunseed oil, which is really good, you guys. I've been using this and it's really moisturizing. You can use whichever oil that you like. I always use olive oil. Sometimes you can use pumpkin seed oil. We talked about this before. Whichever light oil, you can use that to apply it on your hair. And you can see my hair is already breathing in. It just feels good already. So I'm going to apply this stuff on the rest of my hair as I tell you the tricks and ins of my moisturizing routine. The first thing I like to do is take my time. These days I have like a baby, so I like to work in these 4 sections to keep the time moving as she takes her nap. But yeah, what you want to do is when you're moisturizing your hair, you want to take really your time to moisturize each strand of your hair. Do not rush this process because it's a very important process when you want to grow your natural hair long. Moisturizing hydration is what is going to grow your hair, period. Okay, so I like to concentrate my DIY oil on the scalp, and as you can see, my hair really looks good. And the last step I like to do is apply this Jamaican black castor pure butter. This stuff I only apply it on the ends of my hair. I don't apply it on, you can apply it on the rest of your hair, but I like to apply it on the ends of my hair because I want those ends to stay moisturized for a long period of time. And you guys know that the only way to retain length is towards your ends, so you have to give them a little bit of love more than anything. So I like to take my time and apply this butter on my ends. So when you're trying to moisturize your hair, what you're looking forward to is your scalp and your ends. That's what you're looking for. So you make sure that those two areas are hydrated and that they are good. I'm going to go ahead and just braid my hair. That's the last thing I like to do. I'm just going to braid it back, my hair into a braid, and that's basically what I do when it comes to this moisturizing routine. I apply the leave-in. If you are a person who uses LCO method, that's the method I go for because it tends to keep my moisture in for a long period of time. You can go with the lock method if that works for you, but I tend to go with the leave-in, cream and oil, and that's why you're seeing in this video. Pay attention to my ends and also my scalp. Give it a little bit of oil and a little bit of massage. So you can see that my steps are pretty simple. This is what I do almost all the time, and you can see my hair really soaks in the moisture, but it takes it quite a while for the moisture to get in, so that's why you need to massage your hair quite a bit. And just use the praying method to make sure that each strand is hydrated with the product. And the next thing I'll probably advise you to do is to pay attention to what products that you're using and the technique of how you're using those products. You can have a really good product, but the technique might not necessarily help you, so therefore the product may just be a waste of time. Yet you can just have simple product and you can really attain a good moisture for a long period of time. So it doesn't matter which product you're using. The technique is, are you rushing your hair? Are you taking your time with your hair when you're moisturizing your hair? This is the only time, probably once a week, when I moisturize my hair. So I'm not moisturizing my hair every other day or every after 3 days. I am moisturizing my hair once a week, and sometimes I do not even moisturize at all, and my hair is pretty much fine. So I like these 4 braids because, like I've said in this video, it's so simple for me and it literally does not take me a lot of time. And I found this to be simple, quick, and very effective, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, so that you can get something out of this video. If it's helpful to you, apply it on your own moisturizing hair routine. But this is pretty much what I do on a weekly basis. I pay attention to my scalp, I massage my oil on the scalp, and as you can see, my hair is not really dripping wet because of the leave-in conditioner I'm using right now. It's enough for me to get the moisture that I need. And also, don't apply a lot of products while you're moisturizing your hair. You don't need a lot of butters and a lot of different leave-ins and creams and everything like that. You just need a few products, and you just need to concentrate on your hair. That's pretty much it. I'm going to be showing you how I style these braids, and they pretty much look cute according to me, and I will have these braids for 2 weeks without takedown. And as you can see, I'm applying more oil. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just decorate my hair a little bit. And with these accessories, as you can see, just to make it pretty cute. And yeah, and that's pretty much how I do moisturize my hair on a weekly basis. And this can take me about 2 weeks. I can even go 3 weeks without taking down these braids, and my hair will be perfectly okay, and it will be still moisturized. And kind of braids help me lock in my moisture for a long period of time. So that's pretty much what Mama is doing at the moment. This is how she's moisturizing her hair, trying to keep this natural hair journey going. So thank you so much, guys.